So here we have a board short. For 2,000 pieces of a board short, approximately what is the FOB price?
The price range could be from 4 to 8.
Can you give us an idea on just like a regular ski down jacket? What is the price range?
Yeah, so consider it like a child jacket stretch. So it can be from 15 to 25.
Okay, makes sense. 15 to 25. That's good.
Yes.
So for example, this flannel shirt, what's the price range?
Yeah, because actually this one is made from the fleece. So just based on the fleece first. Then also, this one is the 2 layers.
Wow.
Yeah, with the lining.
Nice.
Yes. And this one price is about 8 to 9.
So first, what is your name?
My name is Rosie.
Rosie.
Yeah.
And which factory do you work for?
We are QTNP.
QTNP.
Yes.
And what does QTNP focus on? What type of apparel?
Strong item like the jackets, like all kind you see here. Board shorts. That's meant for shorting.
So board shorts, flannel shirts, outdoor jackets, down jackets.
Yes.
And some, are those yoga pants?
Some pants, yes, and also some jogger.
And I see a windbreakers.
Just windbreaker.
Yeah, where is the factory located? Is it in the north, center, or the south of Vietnam?
Our factory is located in the north of Vietnam. Yeah,
Okay.
which is about 1.5 hours from Hanoi.
So when the customer comes to visit you, will the customer go straight to the factory first, or will the customer come to meet you at the office?
Normally, our customer will come to see us in the office.
So you have one factory or 2 factory locations?
We have 2 factory locations. That is our own factory. One is in Bắc Giang province, and another is in Phu Thọ province.
And how many lines in Bắc Giang and how many in Phu Thọ?
In Bắc Giang, we have 12 lines, and in Phu Thọ, we have 5 lines.
Okay.
Yes.
And what % of fabric do you import from outside of Vietnam, and what % of fabric do you buy locally?
We still concentrate on the fabric from China, mostly, like 95%.
And do you work on CMT, FOB, and CIF LDB terms, or just FOB?
Normally, we just work on FOB. Yes, but I think in the future, then maybe we'll have to think about shift under CIFs or DDP.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, to give our buyer more choice.
Okay, very good. So let's talk about MOQs. For example, a down jacket. What is the MOQ and MCQ?
Yeah, we can do from 1,000 pieces, just like MCQ and MOQ.
So 1,000 pieces per style and 1,000 pieces per color.
Yes.
Okay. And what about the board shorts? What's the MOQ on board shorts?
The board shorts, then we can do from 2,000 pieces.
Okay, 2,000 and up.
Yes.
Very good. And what kind of printing do you offer for the board shorts?
The printing, we can do like the sublimation print, or you can call the roller print, and also some pigment print. Yeah, and now if I want to order the small quantity, but with very fancy artwork, then we can do like digital print to save costs.
Okay, gotcha.
Yes.
And what is the minimum order quantity for print? For example, let's say I have 2,000 board shorts, but I've got 4 different print designs.
It's also okay. Yes, like 500 pieces. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
500 pieces per print.
Yes.
Print MOQ.
Yes.
Okay, very good. What certifications does your factory have? RAP, BSCI?
Yes. Before we also have RAP, but now we just do the BSCI because our buyer always asking to do their own audit. Like some buyer, they don't prefer the third party, but they have their own audit. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are some well-known brands that you've produced for?
Yeah, we are doing like for all the board shorts, then we do for Quicksilver, RVCA, Billabong, Volcom, yes. And then for the jackets, then we do for Volcom, JCPenney, yes. Before we also have some Targets, yes. And then for the European market, so we do like auto groups, we including the Which group, Montpris, and then IKKS, Power. Yes.
Okay, very good. What's the future look like? Are you guys planning to open a new factory or maybe get into manufacturing of fabric?
Actually, we still have plan to open the first factory in the middle of Vietnam.
Wow.
So it's actually not for the capacity, but for the price. Because we hope that when we have the first factory in the middle of Vietnam, then our price can be lower. Because the CM cost now in the north, in the Hanoi area and Ho Chi Minh area now become higher and higher. And so only the middle of Vietnam can still keep the low labor cost.
Right.
Yes.
What province?
In Quảng Bình province.
Quảng Bình.
Yeah.
Quảng Bình. Okay, you're right.
Yeah.
Cool. Talk to us about quality control. How do you control quality inside your factory?
Yes, we have our QA and QC team. We separate. Yes, the QC always stay in the factory, like the station QC every day to check all the inline production. Yes, like check from very beginning until finishing the production. And the QA team go to the factory randomly to check the inline and final inspection.
How do you protect your customers' designs?
But sometimes, some other buyer come to our factory, so we cannot allow to take photos or give the sample to the others.
How long does it take to go from a tech pack to a counter sample? To make the first counter sample? So like design development, lead time.
Yes. If we need to develop from the fabric, yeah, that means we need sometimes to ask for the fabric from our supplier and send to Vietnam. And then after that, we can make the sample. Then we need around 2 or 3 weeks.
How can people contact you?
So we have one website, like qtnpapparels.com.
Okay.
Yes. And from that website, then you can see our email.